Hey guys, it's Kerry here with Covered, and we are back and really excited to share with you our newest product line. Some real game changers for you photographers and videographers out there. Introducing the Universal Lens Hood. If you're like me with camera gear, you're always needing three things. Your gear has to be practical, versatile, and have like a one-size-fit-all feature, and lastly, needs to enhance your workflow. And if you're really like me, you only need to use a traditional lens hood once before realizing those things don't have any of those features. Typical lens hoods are bulky and take up tons of space in your bag, and they're a headache to twist on and off. I wouldn't call that practical. They only fit one size lens, and at times even prevent you from using filters. That's not universal. And when in use, it often falls short of blocking out glares in direct sunlight, aka doesn't enhance any photographer's workflow. So I did some digging, compiling months of research and critical input from tons of photographers about their challenges with lens hoods, and realized that we're all dealing with the same few problems, and yet there really isn't a go-to solution that we've come to depend on. And so with fantastic feedback, I went ahead designing a product that solved our issues. And from that, spawned the Universal Lens Hood. Ladies and gentlemen, it's fantastic in 247 different ways, but I'm only going to name 10. 1, it's foldable and easily packs anywhere in your bag, even your pocket. 2, it's painless to put on, quicker to remove, and never falls off during a shoot. No more lost or forgotten lens hoods. 3, it's universal, stretching over any of your lenses no matter their size. And collapses at specific fold points, eliminating vignetting and dark spots in the corners of the frame, even when using your widest angled lenses. 4, it holds any size circular filter. Yep, you heard that correctly, making it now possible to use your largest ND, VND, CPL, or UV filter with your smallest size lens. Simply install the Universal Lens Hood and then wedge the filter into the hood's inner wall, right up next to the lens's filter thread. That baby ain't going anywhere. 5, it's equipped with the perfect balance of sturdiness to flexibility. Sturdy enough to hold its shape when fully extended, and flexible enough to fully enclose against transparent surfaces. This feature takes it to a whole new level, enabling you to completely remove reflections and glares when shooting through windows. Doesn't matter if you're panning, tilting, or taking simple stills, or shooting on a plane, in a building, or through a car window. 6, it's engineered to be tougher and more protective than any standard lens hood. And when pulled backwards, still allows total access to any of the dials, switches, or rings. 7, 8, 9. We applied our patented lint-resistant coating to ensure that it's easy to wash and rinse off after a grimy use. It can be used as a placemat when switching out camera gear, especially when wanting to avoid swapping out gear on rough or dirty surfaces. And, my favorite feature, serves as the ultimate substitute for Frisbees. Lastly, if you feel the same way I do, you're always wanting as much peace of mind as possible when shooting, which is why our 10th and final feature is that each of our Universal Lens Hoods comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. It's practical, has that one-size-fit-all feature, and truly enhances workflow. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome. When backing this campaign, you're doing two things. First, you're putting food on my table and feeding my family, and for that I thank you. But second, you're supporting the idea of owning versatile, high-quality products that truly help you in getting that perfect shot. The end goal is always the same. Design something innovative that eliminates common problems we all deal with. And with the Universal Lens Hood, we've done it. So back us today, knowing that with us, you're covered.